Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got 2 more days worth of sales on Poshmark. I sold some of my fun bling hats, so let's see how much I made on everything. All right, so I'm going to go through each and every item. I'm going to tell you my earnings. My earnings is not the number it sold for. For instance, this sold for $12. And I actually earned $7.25. So that is Poshmark fees deducted and shipping deducted. Okay, so that's what I wanted to let you know. And then I'll tell you how much I spent on it, write it on the board. So this is a pair of thermal pajamas, Gilligan and O'Malley. I earned $7.25. I got that out of a liquidation box for $1, so $6.25. So I'm going to write my earnings all on the board. You know exactly how much my actual profit is, and then I'll add it all up at the end. The next thing I sold is a beautiful women's top, size 2X. My earnings were $11, and then that cost me $2 out of a liquidation box for a $9 total of profit. Then I have this really fun sterling silver wedding ring set that I bought at the cash and carry for the ASD Market Week in Las Vegas. I actually spent $10 on this. My earnings were only $7.05, but I've sold a lot more for a higher price. So in all, I actually made profit on the large lot of sets. So I actually made $3 less on that one. And I'm going to take that into consideration in my profit margin. But I've only got a few more left, and I'm trying to get them off my listings right now. So this is a Cat and Jack new without tags, size 1 boys lace-up sneakers, $3.25, $2 out of a liquidation is what I've paid. So $1.25 are my profits on that one. And then I have a really neat story about this. So this is one of my USA denim bling hats. I've got another style that just has an American flag on it. And kind of a really cool thing, I was watching the news a few days ago, and there was a Trump rally. Whether you like the president or not, this is just kind of an interesting fun fact. There was a lady sitting directly behind him wearing a bling hat. And if it wasn't one of mine, it sure looked a lot like one of the ones that I sell. I think it looked more like the one with the American flag on it. That's a lighter denim. But ever since then, I have started selling a lot more bling hats. I mean, not like 100, but you know, in the last few days, I've sold like 5. And so you never know what's going to cause your item to actually start selling and become popular. So I've been really excited about that as of late. $5.25 is what I earned on that. I spent $4 for that, so I'm at $1.25 of profit on that particular hat. And I get those direct from a wholesaler, brand new. Then I have a Maidenform pink bra, size 36D. My earnings are $3.05. I spent $1 out of a liquidation box, so $2.05 are my profit on that one. Then the next set I have is a bundle. I've got a Maidenform Control Slimming Panty, black. It's a solid. And then I have women's high-cut microfiber panties. My earnings on both of those, I love bundles because usually I earn a little bit more, and then the person doesn't have to pay as much for shipping. So it's always good to buy in bundles on Poshmark. $8.05 is what I earned. $2 a piece is what I have invested in both of those. So I'm at $6.05. Then I've got this really interesting pair of shoes. They're women's studded mules is the style. It's kind of a slip-on flat mule. $7.25 is what I earned. $2 is what I paid. So $5, sorry. I have to do math in my head, and sometimes it doesn't work. $5.25. Got a weird 2 going on there. All right, $5.25 are my actual profits there. Then I've got a pair of high-rise kick boot crop pants. $11 is what I earned on that, and $1 is what I paid. $1 is what I paid. $10 are my profits. Getting tongue-tied today. And then we're going to wander back down here. I've got another bundle. And you'll see I definitely make a good profit on my bundles. So I've got a new without tags cheeky high leg bikini, and then I've got a seamless high neck bralette, size extra large. And so $11.05 is what I earned. $2 is what I have invested. So I'm at $9.05. If I ever make a mathematical error, please feel free to correct me in the comment section below. And then I have an Ava and Viv 3X scoop neck. $4.25 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid. So $3.25 are my profits on that one. I have another Ava and Viv that I sold right here. It's a 4X scoop neck top, $6.25 are my earnings. $1 is what I paid, so $5.25 are my profits on that one. Then, of course, we get to another bling hat. And let's see what we earned on this. $4.25 is what my earnings were after I think I offered discounts on this one. $4 is what I paid, so I'm at 25 cents on that hat for profit. And then I've also got an Arrow size 20 button-down dress shirt, $4.05. That came right out of my closet, and so $4.05 are what I get to keep. And then last but not least, we've got a padded lace halter bralette exhilaration. My earnings were $3.25. $1 is what I paid, so at $2.25. So I'm going to go ahead and add up all of these items, so what my profit is, how many orders it was for 2 days of sales on Posh, and you never know what could happen when your item kind of gets put on TV and then you start making more sales. So I'll add that up. All right, I got it all added up. 2 days of sales on Poshmark, $62.40 for a total of 15 separate orders. So sales are starting to pick up. So get ready for that fourth quarter and start putting a lot on your Poshmark store. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.